Okay, I'm back. We got the fenders off of it, and one of them was shot, which is kind of bad because those are expensive. The other one we can save and fix. We have to take the inner wheel wells out. Pretty much all, but I'll show you around and I'll show you what's wrong with that fender. See? That's shot, just gone. This one we can save. We just gotta clean it up and stuff. Yeah, whatever. We got the nose off in the last video. We'll take the inner wheel wells off, or we might. We might take the front clip off. That inner wheel well, I just sweeped it off because it was all dusty with a broom and stuff. Yeah. We gotta clean all that up. I don't know what that is, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thomas and Drake. Drake's my cousin. And my Uncle Thomas is gone. They had to go help a guy push his truck in the garage or something. Big trucker, I don't know. But yeah, we got the fenders off. We're gonna take the inner wheel wells off and clean everything up. Take the front clip off. Dad said we might. And clean and paint it all. Okay, we will. Alright. That's all. I'll probably make another video in a little bit. Alright. Yep. Well, next time we'll get everything done, or what I've been seeing, and then I'll start another video and I'll start cleaning and stuff like that.